In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams black screen. If your camera shows a black screen in Teams, whether in the browser or the desktop app, we'll walk through a quick check inside Teams and then refresh your camera driver in Windows to clear things up. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Teams. In the results, look for the official Microsoft link. You want the site that's clearly from Microsoft, typically teamsmicrosoft.com, or a page on microsoft.com. Clicking the correct link ensures you're on a trusted site and that you'll get the expected sign-in experience without any odd redirects. Next, sign into Teams. Use your work, school, or personal Microsoft account and complete any verification steps your organization requires. Once you're in, head into a meeting. This can be a scheduled meeting, a test call, or a Meet Now session. Getting into an active meeting gives you access to the in-call device controls so you can confirm that Teams is using the right camera. Inside the meeting, find the camera icon on the toolbar. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it and make sure the correct camera is selected. Many laptops include an integrated camera, and external webcams or virtual camera apps might also appear in this list. Choose the physical camera you intend to use and watch for a preview. If you still see a black screen, don't worry. We'll update the camera driver next. Outdated or buggy graphics components, including camera drivers, often cause black screens during calls or at startup. Updating the driver helps Windows and Teams communicate with your camera reliably. On Windows, right-click the Start button, the Windows icon on your taskbar, and open Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, look for the Cameras category. Expand it to see your installed camera devices. Right-click your camera and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen prompts so Windows can search for and install the latest driver available. If it finds an update, let it install and restart your computer if prompted. After restarting, return to Teams, join a meeting, and use the camera drop-down again to confirm the right device is selected. A proper preview here is a strong sign everything is fixed. That's it. By confirming the camera inside Teams and updating the camera driver through Device Manager, you'll resolve the most common causes of a black screen and get back to smooth video calls.